These are the details of the roads constructed under, it is constructed in the NIT Calicut project, around 2.5 kilometer reinforced roads. It is constructed in the CET project and total road length is around 5.26, 6 roads totaling to 5.26, geotextile part only, this is 5.26 kilometer. It is taken under the NIT Trichy project, total road length is around 38 kilometers, 18 roads were constructed under the NIT Trichy project. These are the cross section of the roads, how the roads have been constructed and how the geotextile layers have been laid in the roads. It is the roads constructed under the Manit Bhopal in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Now I am moving to the pictures of the construction, different stages of construction of the car geotextiles. The geotextile rolls are stacked in the adjacent to the road. Now the geotextiles are laying on the above the subbase soil. Geotextiles are laid, it is clamped with a proper mechanism of hooking. Fix the adjacent rolls by using cable ties to fix the adjacent rolls together. Laying of car geotextile. Then granular subbase material is laying over the geotextile layer. Care should be taken to avoid the truck wheel movement over the core geotextile. That means the granular material should be laid first. Over to the granular materials only the roads trucks wheel should come. Spreading of the material using JCB. Then the material is laying to the next stage. Spreading of the material. GSP material spread over the whole geotextile part. Next we can prepare the other layers as per the conventional design of the road. Now I am coming to the performance evaluation studies of the constructed roads. The performance evaluation was constructed by pavement material property study and pavement performance based study. The properties of the materials have been studied by in lab as well as in the road. Lab tests were conducted for liquid limit of the soil, plastic limit, standard Proctor test and CBR test of the soil material. And the picture shows the soil properties of different roads constructed. These were evaluated accordingly, the design have been selected. CBR test results of the road reinforced soil. We can see that it is tested under soaked and unsoaked condition and we can see that increase in CBR. The CBR value of the soil has been increased to a certain extent by use of core geotextiles. We can see up to 280% the soaked CBR have been enhanced by use of core geotextile layer. It is the result of laboratory studies. Field CBR also we have evaluated as part of these studies. Then coming to the pavement material property study in the field by using GeoGauge, lightweight deflectometer and field density studies. And it shows that by using a layer of core geotextile, the stiffness and field density values have been enhanced by the pavement performance evaluation studies. Next to the pavement performance studies, that is by different methods. Functional performance have been conducted by pavement distress analysis, Merlin test and roughometer analysis for the roughness index of the roads, then skid resistance evaluation. Structural properties have been evaluated by Bengelman beam deflection test and field CBR analysis. The visual examination results, the into mark represents a without a distress road and tick mark represents the distressed road. We can see that coir reinforced road having does not have any distress on the roads, but in the control section it shows some rutting, alligator cracking, block cracking and transverse cracking. This is the picture of unreinforced road as well as the reinforced road. We can see from the picture itself that the core geotextile roads does not have any surface defects on the surface of the road. Observation from this study is that the defect in the core geotextile reinforced road is comparatively less than the unreinforced roads. Next is the pavement performance evaluation study. First one is the roughness study. It is measured by the Merlin test method. Picture showing the evaluation of Merlin test. and it shows the Merlin test results of the roads without coir and with coir during 2 years. That means in different seasons the tests have been conducted. This is another roughness index test by the roughometer method. And when coming to the result evaluation, the lesser the IRI, better will be the IRI means the International Roughness Index. When the IRI values are less, better will be the riding quality in the road. The IRI values was found to be decreasing when it is reinforced with coir geotextiles. We can show the results from the Merlin test and the roughometer index. First control section showing the unreinforced section, and lesser downside values are showing the reinforced section results.